Going up. You're already off the ground.
That mug flew right off the jack.
Add one of them.
Huh?
But some people make that shit.
No, this one wasn't made. This one wasn't made.
I'm
I'm
gonna take your jigsaw and make some.
Yeah.
That'd probably be better. Get a little, probably like some wood about that thick, son. Look.
Yeah, piece of cardboard.
Yeah, and make that shit with your jigsaw. Yeah, that'd probably be better than the niggas who gonna put it in.
Yeah, but they got some that's already pre-made.
No, you gotta do it. Man, you already know how to run music amps.
Yeah, that's what Rudy said. Rudy said it's just like doing the cut.
That's like, you run this thing, you run the amp wire to the back of the damn thing, like a regular car.
And then you run the hot to the battery, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a 4-way and run the I'm gonna run 4 6x9s in the bags. You don't even got, man, you got, how many tools missing?
About 9.
It's more than 9, nigga. This nigga, I like carpet.
You give me Jigger? Missing more than 9.
He said not only 9 tools missing.
Rattle can. Two-tone. Two-tone with the rattle can. And we just do lighten up on the phone. It's a two-tone of rim.
So what happened to the screwdrivers that was in there?
Like, put that color on the wheel.
Joe, you the biggest.
About to have this thing ready by this weekend, man. That two-tone cool, man. So up here was damaged. So, in order to match the damage, had to put a paint scheme on it. Ran this scheme. Oh, this is Rattle can. This is Rattle can. Rattle can, stock Rattle can. Now you just gotta repaint this. Maybe peel this wrap off. Paint the forks either the stock color or this. It's the Rattle can, man. All it is. And probably some clear or something. Now look at this bike. Ain't this crazy? Now, regardless if this is your style or it ain't your style or whatever, you know, cultural differences we can say from the motorcycle community. For some rattle can, here go that stock, here go the rattle. Tell me that this ain't a hell of a job. You can see that's still the stock color. Unc did all this, man. Right here. Rattle can stock. Put the leg fans on there. Man, clutch cable done scraped him, but you know. But regardless how you might feel about it, the style ain't your style, the color ain't your color. Shit. Even if the whatever it might be, man, you can't deny that this is a hell of a job for some rattle can, man. That's amazing what people could do. It's amazing what people could do, man.